Oppo A92s price, specifications, color options leaked, Oppo A12 spotted on Bluetooth SIG. Previously rumored Oppo A12 has bagged Bluetooth SIG certification alongside two unknown Oppo devices with model numbers CPH2067 and CPH2069. A new Oppo A92s phone has also leaked online, and pricing information, key specification details, design language, and 3 color options of the phone have been tipped. 2 new Oppo phones have been spotted on MIIT certification website revealing key details about these phones. This poster suggests that the phone will come with a 120Hz display refresh rate, or touch sampling rate, and offer 5G support. This new phone is tipped to carry the model number PDK-M00, and it has also been spotted on MIIT as well. Apart from specifications, the Oppo A92s has also leaked in another poster by Shimishka that reveals its design, price, and even color options. Coming to the Oppo A12, the device has been spotted on Bluetooth SIG certification site with model number CPH2083. 2 unidentified Oppo phones with model number CPH2067 and CPH2069 were also spotted on Bluetooth SIG site. Tipster Digital Chat Station also leaks another unknown Oppo device with model number PCRT01. Subscribe to the channel.